Knees up on the mat. And I'll just, yesterday, one of the days earlier on in your pre-Pilates, we did the pelvic clock. Do you remember that?
I remember.
Now that's a really, really good exercise to do, but it's really hard to teach. And if you notice, there was a certain amount of discussion that went on, and then you want me to demonstrate. So it's a how can I explain it? It's like pre-basic, but I wouldn't teach it as an introduction to corkscrew. Because it's so hard to teach, you're going to lose a lot of time in 45 minutes. I teach it later, and then make him do corkscrew, then I teach this, then I make him do corkscrew again because the light bulb goes off about what's happening in there. But for now, so we're not going to do pre-basic. You all know what the pelvic clock is. We're going to go right into basic. So bend your knees into your chest, and you will take your hands and make them like a different diamond to protect your lower back and place it right underneath your buttocks. So right your buttocks and lift your legs up to the ceiling. So you kind of, for you, yes, you want the hands right under you. Yes. So when you have this little pillow, the low back
like
is
a
nice,
diamond?
head is down.
Yeah.
Yes, like a diamond. The head is down, head is down, head is down on the mat. It allows the low back to, it should feel comfortable and stable on your low back. Can you lengthen your knees more? Is that it? Yes, very good. Now
Getting
from
better.
here, you're going to be drawing a small
Seeing
circle
something on his neck.
around
His
your
neck is
body.
short.
So you bring your legs up a little bit, roll them over to the right, down to the left, and up. That's the quarter. And then reverse. It's okay. It's actually okay that he doesn't have it.
Oh.
Roll and up. Circle and up. You see the pelvic clock?
Yeah.
And up. So the feet are working again. Circle and up. And then reverse your circle. Circle. Reverse the circle. So you're going to go left down. Left. Go to the left. You go to the left. Down to the right and up. So this is where it gets tricky. Right, down, left, and up. Left, down, right, and up. So you're going circle one way, circle the other. Bend your knees for a minute and put your feet on the floor. Does that make sense so far?
Yes,
Okay.
very much.
So if I'm demonstrating, I want to do that. And here I just kind of lie down. You make a little pillow so your low back is more stable, because now we're beginning to do some movement. So you want this low back nice, and you're starting to make this have to work harder. So then you'll go right, down, left, and up, and people will be copying you. But you keep your stomach firm and you don't let your bottom roll around. The most ideal version at the simple level is here. Now you will do a small circle up. So no hands. So for some people, this starts to happen. Now, just so you get an idea of the progressions of this is still all very, very, very basic, because later, when the person is already strong in their buttocks and everywhere, now you start to do a big circle. You see, so now all of this is strong, and then when you get into advanced, you're going to go up and go down. Up. So you're doing really big circles. But that's not, just so you see where all of this is building to. If you give someone to do anything in the advance, they're flopping, their body's falling apart, they have no control in their stomach, they don't have the muscles to do it. It's just a waste of time. So the basics is very, 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 very useful. Let's have you lie down now and just do the ideal basic version. So you're going to lie in the back.
And it's okay for his knees to have that natural bend.
He can't straighten them.
Yes,
He's
yes,
kind
okay.
of like you in the sense that his hamstrings are very tight.
Yeah.
If you had yoga straps,
Look that thing, Denzil.
towels, so I would be doing a lot of things. Remember, a long time ago, a few days ago, we did single circles. This is like a single circle, but with two legs at the same time. Now, this is his range of movement. We want to get him here. So he's actually, that's stretching more than it was. That's if the other leg comes up. So I can feel his muscle, it's already tight, it's already pulling, and and then.
Yeah.
So if I was having him as a student, I would have a towel or a strap, and I would do all of this work so he can hold and work here. If he's solo like this, he wants to work so hard to even keep his legs that he can't work on stretching them. So for him and for you, more important to get the muscles straight, stretched, then you can do it, because it's much easier to have your leg here, for me, because now all the weight's straight down. You're working very little. Here, you're working very hard. Here, you're working very hard. So someone like
Denzil.
Denzil. It's actually, he's fighting certain things. So I know I would not tell him to straighten his knees because he can't. And I wouldn't tell him, I would say, let's have straight, I'm trying to think, I wouldn't say try to straighten your knees, but I'd say, let's see how straight you can get your knees today. Yeah. Okay, so let's see how straight you can get your knees today. So hands by your sides. Bend your knees into your chest. Use your stomach to hold your pelvis and lift your legs straight up. Strong legs, straight legs. Now without anything losing control, you're going to take the legs to the right a little bit. Draw a circle down, around to the left, and up in the middle. You'll reverse to the left, down, around, and up in the middle. He's doing well. Right, down, around, and up. Left, down, around, and up. One more time. Right, down, around, and up. Left, down, around, and up. Now, first time, let's see if we can take the legs all the way down to the floor. Use your stomach, use your back.